So there will be changes all throughout retail. And what you find is that every industry vertical within retail has its own unique nuances, right? What's needed in fuel and convenience is very different than what's needed in grocery, very different than what's needed in specialty or apparel, or different than QSR and hospitality. And so it's hard to paint in a broad brush way what's going to happen with AI in every single vertical because they'll have different impacts. We like to look at it not necessarily from the perspective of what will AI do, but instead, what are the problems that need to be solved? So we at Diebold Nixdorf look at problems that need solving in the space of checkout, for example, which is where our focus is. We're trying to create the best consumer experiences at the checkout in the physical space. And so we looked at where are the problems? Well, there are interventions that occur when a consumer is using a self-service device. For example, age verification for products that require some sort of check or ID, or produce recognition when you're at a self-checkout device and you have to look up the menu for which produce item are you buying. So these were small problems that were causing interventions, and we looked at the way that AI could help solve those problems. And when you look for the problems that need to be solved, you find solutions that make it better for the consumer. We took out friction in that process. The next problem, which everybody's talking about, is shrink. Right? Loss in the store, whether that's through malicious intent like theft or whether that's unmalicious in nature. And we looked at that as a really big problem worth solving. So we've applied AI through computer vision to be able to assess what are the patterns that are occurring within a checkout process. And we were able to apply AI to help solve for that. You know, I'd like to say is that there are some great technologies available, or at least here for viewing at Groceryshop. But one of the things you're going to see in the store of tomorrow is a solution that's available today. That's our AI-driven Vynamic Smart Vision solution. And I really, really encourage everybody to take a look at Diebold Nixdorf's Vynamic Smart Vision.